Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to connect your Payoneer account to eBay for payouts, here is the correct way to do it in 2025. So first of all, when eBay invites you to set up your payment, only then you will be able to do that. So once you have the invitation, you need to simply click on that and you will be landed on this type of page where you need to select if you want to sign in, or if you don't have an account you need to create your Payoneer account. So if you select this no help me create one account option, after clicking on it, this type of Payoneer pop-up will be opened in front of you. So here you need to select whether you want to open an individual account or a company account. So most of you would like to open the individual account, so select this and press next in the bottom. On the next page, you need to provide your details. That includes your personal details, your contact information, billing information as well. So after providing these details, press next in the bottom. Then you need to provide your email address as well and create a strong password for your account. For security purposes, they are going to ask you for the security question, so you need to select that and press next in the bottom. Now after the successful creation of your Payoneer account, you need to click on the yes sign in option, and then you need to provide your login credentials of your Payoneer account, like your email address or username and your password, and you need to first of all sign in into your account. Now once the sign up is completed, it will say that welcome eBay seller, and then it will redirect you in your eBay account. So from here you can just connect your Payoneer account to it, so it will show you the information just like so. So press continue in the bottom. Then you need to provide your card details in the third step, so it should look something like this. You need to select your backup credit card and press continue. In the final step, you need to submit your request, and once your request is submitted successfully, you will be able to easily link your eBay seller account with your Payoneer account, and now you can use Payoneer to make the withdrawals to your bank account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.